Yo, what is up, my friends? Welcome back to Thoughtcast. क्या हाल है? How was your day? This is a really special episode for me. These were the episodes, मतलब ऐसे kind of episodes की वजह से I started Thoughtcast. There's a reason that इस episode से पहले you won't find the short clips or previews. Because the main reason for this episode मैं चाहता हूँ जो भी बंदा ये देख रहा है या सुन रहा है listens it or watches it from start to end. This episode is with Boski Pandey. She is a student currently, I won't name the college, but pursuing her, undergrad from Delhi University. She was very kind enough to actually be on the podcast because I wanted to record an episode around women. So recently, I'll just give you a brief context without taking much of your time. Recently, a few instances happened with a near dear friend, a female friend, and I just got triggered about how men around the society have been behaving. And I also know that there's a fact that men, us as a boys around the age of 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, don't particularly know how to behave in front of a woman, how to behave in front of girls around them. There's a difference, which I also learned with time. I'm not saying कि मैं बचपन से ही सीख के आया था. I still don't know that have I learned it or not, but I just wanted a female perspective on this. And Boski Dee was really kind enough. She had she has gone through a really, what do you call it, traumatizing instance, which actually gave me goosebumps when I read it on LinkedIn. So this is a very special episode. All I want you guys to do is just एक बार like दबा दो, and not because for numbers, but I want YouTube to push this video because this is very important and I want more people to talk about it. Boski Dee was super kind enough. I'm really thankful to her for actually doing this episode. Without wasting much of your time, the super interesting, super informative, my favorite episode of Thoughtcast. This is the episode that even if I go, I'm like I've recorded something that I can prove it's worth what putting it on the internet. Anyways, the super interesting episode with Boski Pandey starts in 3, 2, 1.
It's been going good. Pretty busy with stuff.
Yeah.
Fine. Good.
So, recently you celebrated your birthday. I saw your LinkedIn post and everything, and it was like
Yeah, I did.
mesmerizing.
I did.
And recently, a lot has happened with you, I believe. Again from LinkedIn.
True.
Do you want? Is
I
it?
mean, true, true.
I'll just get straight to the point without wasting much of the audience's time. कि people and especially women around us, we believe are safe till certain extent. पहले से तो बहुत ज़्यादा improve हो गया है. But still instances have been happening. And there was something that has happened with you which has got me goosebumps after just reading. I don't read stuff. I was sent a post and I read it and I got goosebumps.
This is really true. Even it took me days to process what actually happened. A lot was going on in my life, but this essentially just took my entire attention towards this one major incident. I think we say पहले के comparison में women are safe, they are safe. No, they are not. They are not. After what has happened with me, specifically, I live in a society, and this park is affiliated with almost 5 to 6 societies. You wouldn't believe. So it's not just me. Any other given day, if any other female comes in or any other girl and particular person shows up, so safety ka kya measure? I don't get it. Like, I am living in a society, and this park is basically a junction of almost like 7 to 8 societies close to my own society. So can you imagine me going randomly, wo bhi daylight ke hour mein? It's just pathetic. I mean, I should have the liberty to go anytime, but still, I'd
Yeah.
say it was a very safe hour. It was a very pleasant weather, and something I see is really traumatizing. So, my perception of women's safety has been totally broken by this entire stance जो ये हो गया मेरी लाइफ में. It has been a very huge turning point. I always see my parents asking me to take precautions when I'm going out, and I'm like, nah, I'll be fine. It's not the case. They say कि भाई you don't know about बाहर के लोग, but I'm like, no, it's fine. But after this incident has happened, I'm still very shocked. very shocked. Even if I could describe that particular incident, it's just too much to bear.
मतलब
Randomly a person comes up
हाँ जी, हाँ जी,
and shows up.
हाँ हाँ
Only
हाँ,
when
गो एड, गो एड.
when you'll ask, I'll tell you एकदम अच्छे से.
हाँ, I was just going to
But
that कि मतलब ऑडियंस को कोई कॉन्टेक्स्ट होगा नहीं, cause मतलब I'll share the LinkedIn post, but I want you, if you're comfortable, to what actually happened with you.
I was so basically what happened was I was having a good day. It was a good weather, and I thought of walking around and about. That day specifically, I could see less people, but there were people, not in particular direction wherein I was.
Mm-hmm.
So I was like randomly walking through the park and stuff. I was listening to songs, chilling out, hanging around, like enjoying the nature. And suddenly, what I see is there's this guy who comes out एकदम specific corner से all of a sudden. I had no, like literally no clue कि कहाँ से आ गया एकदम से. He came in मतलब एक झाड़ी से निकल के. So there are two parks हमारे. There are two parks. One is the park which is the main park, and it is a kind of like joined with another park जो कि opposite direction है. So they are joined but grilling properly done है. अब I believe that's where he came from, and he was there, and I was just walking, and I suddenly see this particular guy coming towards me, and he's like इधर आ मेरी बात सुन. I was like, it just took me a second कि एकदम से randomly अगर सामने से कोई चल के आ रहा है, you still get the vibes कि this particular person is walking towards you. But at that particular moment, I was just randomly walking, I see एकदम से झाड़ी से निकल के एक लड़का आ चुका है मेरे सामने, and he's like सुन मेरी बात सुन. And I was like,
What?
it took me a second to realize कि what was happening. I just saw his face, and the next thing I see is उसके हाथ, and I see a gun. Just like I cannot really express it in pura proper way, but I saw his gun, then I saw his face, and he still was in this dominant way. He was like speaking ki sun meri baat, and I was like still processing like what the hell. Like I I couldn't like process. It took me seconds, and the next thing was I screamed out of my guts. I screamed very brutally, and then the next thing that he did was he ran away, and I could see कि कुछ टाइम बाद आई डिड एनालाइज साइड से गार्ड आ गए थे दूसरे सोसाइटी के बाहर इन ऑर्डर टू प्रोटेक्ट बिकॉज ही सॉ मी स्क्रीमिंग.
Hmm.
बट द नेक्स्ट थिंग आई सॉ वाज कि जब वो कूदा एंड वो नेक्स्ट पार्क में गया देयर वर अराउंड 4 to 5 guys with him, which is insane. Like anything could have happened अगर वो अपनी बंदूक निकाल के चीजें बोलता एंड करता बिकॉज इट वॉज माई लाइफ. It was the question of my safety as well at the end of the day. And it really, I was very shocked to my own core. It took me a lot to process at that moment. I got very chill because I took a very strong stance. I shouted बहुत ज़्यादा loudly, तो उस time पे I was extremely safe. But it did made me realize कि this is so screwed up. It's me today. I'm still graduation के entering into third year. Might be another little girl, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What about them? What about an elderly person? It was a very very bad incident. The next thing was I discussed it with my father, and I told him that I really want to write about it because I do have certain amount of influence on LinkedIn. So mera next step was to write about it on LinkedIn, write an article, tell people, let them know that this has been happening and we are still not safe. What are the proper measures? I still feel at the end of the day, it's about the mindset that the people carry
Yeah.
and कैसे वो लोग अपना step ले रहे हैं. It's about the behaviors more obviously. Like I feel very
No,
strongly as
that is
well.
very true because
But
मेरा भी ये स्टैंस है इस मामले में कि whenever these things happens, when मतलब कुछ भी अगर ऐसा होता है, rather than ऐसे हमारी society just blames up on the women, मतलब थोड़ा तो कर देती हैं, ठीक है, they discriminate. But what I feel, the first step is for sensitizing towards sensitization of men. That's the most important thing. क्योंकि बहुत सारे लड़कों को ना, they don't know how to even talk to a girl. They don't know how to behave around them, and which becomes very creepy, unknowingly and knowingly as well. Knowingly तो बहुत ही गंदी हरकतें करते हैं लोग, ठीक है. Unknowingly also it becomes very odd for girls sometimes, girls. And that's when I was
very odd,
like,
very odd.
it just
Very true at your part.
आपका ना थोड़ा सा नेट फ्लक्चुएट हो रहा है. आई गेस इट्स बैक.
थोड़ा हो रहा
हाँ
है, फाइन,
हाँ, फाइन
फाइन.
फाइन फाइन. नहीं, so that's when I was like कि नहीं, this is something that should be talked about, and suddenly this thing happened and I was like, let me just get you upon the pod. So I just wanted to ask you, जैसे you're in college, you're in your graduation year, has ये तो बहुत ही extreme हो गया, चलो ये तो बहुत ही extreme, someone pulling out a gun at you was तो too extreme. But what were, अगर ऐसे something slightly what happened, ऐसे कोई छोटे creepy या someone approached you in a very creepy way, ठीक है, some incidents in a public place that has happened which shouldn't have happened.
I'll be honest with you, I've been the cultural secretary of my college. And last year, we were accountable for a lot of reasons and we got to know about a lot of incidents. So, be it top notch colleges from North Campus, I've heard about the cases then and there. I've heard about cases from the girls here at my college, from the people here at my college, and it's just so traumatizing. A lot of people here at our college, they did tell me कि they had these certain incidents, because वो सारा हमारा all girls college है, and we have had managed to see a lot of incidents जहाँ पर मुझे आके बताया गया है कि there was this particular person who was wanking early in the morning while we were walking on the road. And बहुत सारे ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स हुए हैं when just like people show up. One or two incidents that have happened with me is, so I was returning from my debating का society का एक competition था, and I live थोड़ा सा far away from college, so I was like returning back to my place, and I remember I was at the metro station. There's this guy who comes एकदम like doesn't really know his own boundary and distance, comes ekdam close and is like, can I get your Instagram ID and stuff like that. It was really creepy. It was around 9 at night, so I didn't feel very comfortable about it. And not that it was said in a very healthy way, it was very extremely unhealthy. And I could feel ki there was, I didn't sense
Intentions,
very.
girls have a sixth sense of, just so
Exactly.
with me being with my ऐसे female friends, they've told me कि ऐसे लड़कियों के पास have that sixth sense to realize if someone's seeing them in a bad way or
Yes.
not.
I mean, it happens almost with all of the girls कि
Yeah.
somewhere they are at metro station and उनसे कोई आके एकदम से randomly पूछ लेगा and they're like creeped out कि क्या हो गया ये एकदम से. They're still processing. A lot of them do exchange their IDs, but which is completely fine, their own decision. But has happened with me कि एकदम different तरीके का like एक crowd आया है जो कि बहुत ही uncomfortable कर देता है, and they're like बहुत ही confidently, hey, you look that
Hmm.
like this and that. And it has happened कि हमारे कॉलेज में specifically there have been a lot of girls जिन्होंने कंप्लेन करी है of guys standing outside, like
Yeah.
specifically older men, and they were wanking or they were doing certain stuff which was not very fine, which didn't make them comfortable. And it is an issue because आप college पढ़ने के लिए आ रहे हो या फिर आप college अपने recreation के लिए आ रहे हो, on the way if you're witnessing such sort of incidents, it's not fine.
भाई आदमी
It's not
ट्रॉमेटाइज हो
fine.
जाएगा इस एज में तो. मतलब
Exactly,
यू
that's the
यू
point.
डेल्ट इट वेरी मेच्योरली एंड वेरी बोल्डली. कोई और होता तो गॉड नोज व्हाट हाउ द पर्सन हैव डेल्ट विद, मतलब कैसे ही डील करता कोई.
Exactly. That I think that day I did realize कि कुछ भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो
Yeah.
सकता है. I've had always been very bold with respect to like telling my parents कि this is my opinion and I don't really care. I talk about a lot of stuff, equality and stuff, but I did realize at that moment this is not safe. This is not safe. This is not fine. This is something very pathetic. It can happen. If it can happen with me, it can happen to anyone. And I'm specifically बहुत ज़्यादा, I was thinking after this incident happened, and what did I really focus upon was मैं चला दी, मैंने इनसे अपना पूरा एक बोल्ड स्टैंड ले लिया, बट हर कोई नहीं ले पाएगा, उनके साथ कुछ भी हो सकता है. A lot of people are very शांत, वो कैसे रिएक्ट करेंगे, वो कैसे सिचुएशंस आउट अपने आप को करेंगे, एंड कितना उनको दिन लगेगा, कितना उनको टाइम लगेगा, कैसे उनकी नॉर्मल एक्टिविटीज इंपैक्ट होंगी, बिकॉज दिस इज अ ह्यूज इंसिडेंट, huge
For
incident.
sure.
I still at times do not visit that corner of my park anymore. I still be afraid. Even if I'm going with my father, I'm like, let's not go there, or let's not go to that
अब वो
park. I'll
सबकॉन्शियसली
rather
बैठ गया ना दिमाग में कि हाँ देयर इज सम थ्रेट देयर.
there, actually there is. And abhi bhi I refrain from going to the park. I actually make sure that I'm like walking in the society, which is not fine. Almost सारी fun activities, a lot of people are meeting there, सबका recreation हो रहा है, but क्योंकि मेरे mind में वो चीज़ बैठ गई है तो वो कैसे deal करेगा कोई. Who is
Yeah.
responsible? Who's accountable? They are not.
ऐसे
मतलब बहुत
यू शाउटेड,
lightly
बहुत सारे लोग एकदम शांत स्टिल हो जाते, एंड आपने
कुछ भी
बताया
नहीं
कि
करना।
4 या 5 जने और थे.
और थे, लांघने के बाद वो भी कर देते, वो भी आ जाते इन पावर अगर उनको
Then
लगता
तो
है कि
would
भाई
have
ये
the
करोगे।
situation would have actually effed up.
वेरी मच, वेरी 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 मच। मतलब वो 4-5 उधर थे एंड भाग के फिर उस साइड से उन्होंने, अगर मैं उस टाइम पे वीक पड़ती, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा ज़ोर से चिल्लाई हूँ। आई एम अ डिबेटर टू, तो फिर उससे
That's
थोड़ा एक एज
commendable.
आ जाता है कि आप चिल्ला लेते हो, सब कुछ कर लेते हो। बट देन अगेन वो मैंने कर लिया, बट
हाँ,
इट्स नॉट द सेम केस विद एवरीवन।
everyone. That's just too messed up, I feel.
4-5 लोग और उधर, चुप हो जाती तो दे कुड हैव कम टू।
मतलब,
And one thing I did realize when he came out of एकदम से pointless direction से, he was just closing his belt. How creepy, how bad, how irritating, how uncomfortable that could be. I mean, I'm really blessed that my father is very supportive. He
yeah.
urged me to write about it, write an article about it, and I'm confident enough to speak about it because I feel कि that's how we go about the situation. We put our मतलब critiques forefront पे
Yeah, that is
and
true.
tell it's not fine.
मतलब
Not
अगर
fine
आप,
means no,
if you wouldn't have posted, मेरे को क्या किसी को भी पता नहीं लगता, and
पता नहीं लगता।
this might not have been happening, I feel. क्योंकि फिर अवेयरनेस ही सबसे बड़ा इशू है, I feel. And for girls as well as for boys.
True, very true. It's just मैं तो इक्वल टर्म्स में बोल रही हूँ, इवन इफ आई कंसिडर थोड़ा वुमेन का टॉपिक असाइड,
Mm-hmm.
व्हाट अबाउट द नॉर्मल सेफ्टी,
Yeah.
व्हाट अबाउट एन एल्डरली पर्सन वॉकिंग। क्या पता उनके पास कोई फोन हो, क्या पता ही इज वेयरिंग सर्टन सॉर्ट ऑफ, ही और दे, whatever that particular person is, they might be wearing chains, they might be doing certain stuff जो उनके पास होगा, एंड क्या पता उनके साथ ये लोग कुछ कर दें, वो तो एक्सप्लॉइट हो जाएंगे उस सिचुएशन में।
And
अगर
this,
मैं वुमेन का टॉपिक साइड करूँ, तो स्पेसिफिकली मेरे साथ हुआ है, आई कुड एनालाइज द इंटेंशंस ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, बट व्हाट इफ का सिचुएशन है
and that too happening
स्टिल।
in daylight. रात मतलब ठीक है, रात को फिर भी people अब थोड़ा normalize हो गया कि ऐसी चीजें रात को थी, but things happening in daylight just makes it more creepier, I feel.
It's very creepy, I swear. Daylight में it took me a while to understand that this has
कि
happened
दिन
real
दहाड़े
life.
कैसे
A
हो
lot
गए
of
यार.
problems were already happening, but जब ये हुआ, I was like, fair enough. यहाँ पे सारा attention चले गया पूरा.
अब मतलब
And it
ये
was
हो
just
गया
like
तो कुछ
five,
भी हो सकता है टाइप्स.
कुछ भी हो सकता है. It was just like 5 days before my birthday, I could still analyze, and it was like 20th gave me a lot of learning, specifically this one. And I still
Yeah.
cannot stop speaking about it and talking about it because it's not fine.
It is
It's
not,
not.
मतलब from any angle, things like these and making women uncomfortable, I feel, is not
I've had
fine.
Exactly. I have had instances of my female friends from Miranda House telling me that there have been instances with them as well outside the college. People are doing crazy shit, specifically men. Specifically. I cannot even bear to talk about it,
Yeah.
but they do crazy shit. And it's not fine.
I'll tell a story. I'll tell a very creepy story that I heard day before yesterday, I guess, which
Please.
actually made me like कि ऐसे भी लोग क्यों हैं, मतलब types. So there's this friend of our age only, 19, 18, 19, 20, and
Hmm.
a guy's who's engaged just met
Okay.
her through a friend of a friend.
Okay.
Okay, just friend of a friend, had a normal chit chat, fine. Cut to 1 or 2 weeks later or a month later, the guy approaches her for dating. And I'm like, and the girl's like, "Ek second, dude, you're engaged. What are you doing with your life?" Cut to
Hmm.
again, she ghosted. What? मतलब लड़की क्या ही करेगी? Ghost, just avoid, block, and everything. We're walking at night. The guy's constantly calling her. He called her 3 to 5 times in front of me, and I'm like, लड़का छोड़ो, just I was just imagining about her fiance कि भाई उसकी जिंदगी कैसी होगी अब.
I just, this is horrible. I believe that's something that has changed in my mind. I was thinking कि क्या restrictions, क्या आप कितना भी लगा लो, जब तक लोगों का mindset change नहीं होगा about situations, this thing cannot be solved.
So, मतलब I wanted your stance upon this कि what do you think, even if a guy wants to talk, ठीक है चलो, these creepy stuff तो बहुत, that requires awareness on a very
Right.
high level, but basic college stuff itself कि younger generation में guys want to approach girls, just want to talk, have some fun and stuff. How a guy
Hmm.
not being creepy should approach a girl or talk to a girl?
I mean, there are healthier ways to reach out to a particular person, right? For most of us, we think ki we all are ambitious, right? We all are constructive in our own fields. We all are trying and we all are developing our own mindsets. And like every day, we are like trying something new. I believe the healthiest way is to get away with the process very slowly, very slowly. I feel ki to make the other particular, see, women specifically and girls in general, we do need a lot of space and healthy mindset. For me, I do not talk to a lot of people. I do not, specifically males in general. If I feel ki, okay, I'm getting creeped out, there have been male colleagues as well who have been very supportive, who have been telling a lot of stuff. But I think healthy boundaries is something that is very important in
Yeah.
life. I mean, I do really vouch for having guy as your friends, because guys as your friends, because that is very important to have both the
वो
sides there.
पर्सपेक्टिव पता लग
Good.
जाता है ना कि how to see
Exactly.
the world from two extremely opposite ends.
Exactly. So I feel, and Mera बहुत strong stance is to make healthy boundaries and go very slow about the situation. Even if you want to talk, you'll talk to the person. आप बहुत healthy way में भी अपनी constructively situation से आप अपनी आगे कन्वर्सेशन बढ़ा सकते हो बहुत हेल्दियर वे में, ठीक है, अच्छे से बात करके नॉर्मली बाय नोइंग पर्सन, ना कि डायरेक्टली इंस्टाग्राम आईडी हेलो प्लीज. आई डोंट थिंक इट्स अ वेरी हेल्दी वे.
Yeah.
आई फील कि even if you're meeting and even if you're exploring or even if you want to talk to someone, there are certain basic ethics that you'd go about. Like आप आराम से जाओगे, even your personality reflects कि आपकी क्या intentions हैं. The
Hmm.
more healthier intentions you have towards a person, it's more good for you and the other person to establish a very healthy relation on a general level, even if it's your friend, or even if that particular person is someone जिसके साथ आपको romantic relationship carry करना है. I feel like that. I feel कि अगर मेरे सामने कोई person आ रहा है, जिस तरीके से वो बात कर रहा है, जिस तरीके से अपने आप को कैरी कर रहा है, is one of the huge, सबसे biggest thing parameter मेरे लिए to judge कि ये particular person कैसा है.
Like
Like I
non-verbal
would,
communication does the 95% of the communication.
of course you'd see कि कैसा है, you'd analyze कि कैसा है particular person over time. एक दिन में आगे if you can casually you speak and ये सब, तो I think it doesn't work. And for the most healthier and the most long lasting relationships and relations that I've seen in my life, I see they go very slow and healthy about the situation. So a lot more, the kind of aura that you're carrying, the kind of intentions that you're carrying is a parameter to be judged. Specifically if you're talking about, I think it's different for every other person. There are a lot of girls and there are a lot of women and there are a lot of persons who would disagree with me, and I'm completely respectable about it. But for me, if you are asking my own opinion, I'd say कि अगर कोई पर्टिकुलर पर्सन आता है ना, मुझसे कैरी कर रहा है कन्वर्सेशन बहुत हेल्दियर वे में जा रहा है, इज इन अ वेरी कंस्ट्रक्टिव वे, थोड़ा हेल्दी है, सटल है, even if you're complimenting me, even if you're appreciating me, बट यू आर वेरी, मतलब आपका एक और है, आप एक बहुत
इंटेंट पता लग रहा है.
स्पेसिफिक सॉफ्ट वे में बोलो. एग्जैक्टली, पता चल रहा है कि आप किस तरीके से आए हो बात करने,
Hmm.
क्या है, क्या है, क्या नहीं है. तो आई थिंक वो एक बेस्ट वे होता है टू नॉट क्रीप आउट द अदर पर्सन.
Hmm.
मेरे साथ हुआ है, आई हैव हैड द मोस्ट स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट रिलेशंस विद पीपल जिनका जब मेरा कन्वर्सेशन उनसे एस्टैब्लिश हुआ बहुत हेल्दी वे में हुआ है. आई कुड एनालाइज अच्छा ही इंसान है, एंड 6 महीने बाद कट टू 8 मंथ्स बाद वो अभी भी अच्छे ही हैं. So nothing changes.
That's what. एक सेकंड देना आपस में को. Sorry. हाँ. Back. हाँ. So I was like
Completely
कि
fine.
इंटेंट सबकॉन्शियसली तुम्हारी आंखों में बहुत एविडेंटली पता लग जाता है इन
पता
गाइज.
चल जाता है.
या. हाँ. बैक.
Quickly.
हाँ. वो बहुत बहुत एविडेंटली इट्स लाइक इवन इफ व्हेन आई एम वॉकिंग विद एनी ऑफ माय फीमेल फ्रेंड्स अलोंग मी एंड ऐसे सीपी में हम चल रहे थे एंड साइड में दो चार ऐसे देयर आर ग्रुप्स ऑफ पीपल एंड जस्ट टेकिंग देम आउट एंड आई जस्ट फील लाइक स्लैपिंग देम
Exactly.
एंड आई एम
Yeah.
लाइक क्यों यार अगर अगर कुछ अच्छा लग रहा है तो आप बात कर कुछ बोल ये क्या है व्हाट इज दिस मतलब इफ आई एम
So
फीलिंग
वो भी create होते हैं.
वियर्ड आउट व्हाट अबाउट हर
बहुत weird लगता है. The way you are like, the way your eyes are moving, the way you're looking at the person, it shows a lot about your own personality. I mean,
मतलब आई एम लाइक Women have to
At the
go
end of the
through a
day we
lot.
all are ourselves and हमें वो करना है जो हमें करना है,
Yeah.
but still it is our duty only to make sure कि हम सब आपस में ही बहुत ज्यादा safe हैं कि नहीं है.
Hmm.
For me, when I get to know कि गार्गी के बाहर मेरे कॉलेज के बाहर कुछ ऐसा ऐसा हो रहा है, so it's very traumatizing, it's very makes me very uncomfortable. Not about me, but a lot of girls who are staying there PG में. What about them? They have to
Hmm.
still come college. They have to live in that particular location. It happens a lot with them, and specifically they are living without parents.
That is true.
What would you
ऐसे
expect?
बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जिनके पास पेरेंट्स सपोर्ट नहीं होता. इट्स इवन मोर डिफिकल्ट फॉर देम आई बिलीव, बिकॉज
True. Very true.
पेरेंट्स काफी इमोशनल बैगेज हैंडल कर लेते हैं तुम्हारा अननोइंगली, और वो बहुत ज्यादा
True.
इफेक्ट होता है. जैसे आई वाज लिविंग इन चेन्नई एंड हैड इमोशनल ब्रेकडाउन्स 1-2 महीने में हर बार, बट नाउ आई एम हियर बैक एंड इट्स वेरी इजी. मेरे को कुछ भी होता है,
Mm-hmm.
आई जस्ट गो टू माई पेरेंट्स एंड टॉक एंड इट्स वेरी चिल. इट्स वे इजियर टू डील मेंटली
Yeah,
हियर
I
आई
get
फील.
it.
हाँ.
Right. True.
I wanted to ask you one thing, ऐसे, if you were explaining it to a layman, someone
Hmm.
who's not, who does not know how to talk to girls and stuff, and he's talking to
Okay.
someone, ठीक है.
Hmm.
So what are the signs? ऐसे, the guy is fine, but still, if the girl's not interested, what are the signs जो लड़कियां will show, girls will portray that she's not interested or you are just creeping her out? जो ऐसे लड़के unknowingly कर देते हैं. Someone who's like very first timer, has come from a small town and stuff, and वो अभी कॉलेज में आया, उसे कॉलेज का ग्लैमर मिला है. What are the signs that girls will show so that उसे पता लग जाए कि यार this is not my territory, I should just back off now?
I feel कि the first step is हम like what I do is मुझे एकदम अगर आप आके creep out कर रहे हो, आप मुझे एकदम से आके like मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा creep out ये होता है आप आते ही Instagram ID मांग रहे हो. Like
Hi
एकदम
hello
से out of like desperation you come. I'm randomly walking. I am not aware about co-ed colleges much. I have been क्या बोलते हैं, I've studied all my life in all girls school and then I'm in all girls college.
isn't that
For 2 years
sad?
I changed. For 2 years I changed my school and I did realize कि I was in a co-ed school. मुझे बहुत process करने के, but it was a COVID batch, so I don't really consider बहुत ज़्यादा, I don't give it much
I,
of importance.
तवज्जो.
But I
हाँ.
felt throughout that period, उसमें भी थे लड़के. I'd say कि a something that I do is I start ignoring the calls. Do not like matlab, if you're like calling again and for like 10 missed calls a day, you're too desperate to again meet and I'm saying no, that means no. So that's mera sign is to say no, and I'd say ki I'd smile and I'd positively say sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry, and I'm just getting away. I mean, सीधा मुंह पे sorry बोल देती हूँ. Like the
मतलब
best way for me is to say sorry. And the other thing is if I'm thinking ki bhai you are like creeping me out too much, you're like calling too much or you're like texting too much, specifically like guys, I'd say abhi nahi. Like I think that's not the healthiest way. आपको किस चीज की इतनी जल्दी है?
yeah.
Why would you want to meet ekdam se? Why would you want to like call again and again and stuff? It's just
मतलब
oh
no,
no
no
no.
itself is a very big sentence. ऐसे पिंक में था ना, no means no, and it was like, oh, एक तो बहुत सही मूवी थी, but still no
I
means no.
wouldn't brag about it. If a particular person is ghosting you, like specifically females, they're not comfortable. They do not find your aura very comfortable, and they do not find themselves very comfortable being around you, and they are seeing some sort of desperation that you are showing. But I mean, at times, desperation is good if it's coming from a good person.
Yeah.
Again, it takes time to analyze who's the good person, and then at certain points people would want you to be desperate and fine and good and healthy. But then एकदम starting से if you are like after me and saying दे दो ये कर दो ID दे दो ये कर दो or when are you meeting or something, it's just creeping.
When you're
Like
just running behind वाला scene हो जाता है.
exactly. So I do not have ज़्यादा male connections.
Hmm.
All I do have is मेरे I do have a male best friend and I do feel very comfortable around that particular person because over time we have had a very
Bond.
established a very healthy bond,
Yeah.
like about self growth or certain stuff like that. And I could analyze कि यहाँ पर intentions कभी बुरी नहीं है. When we are
Hmm.
sitting, when we are talking, it's just very fine.
It's
So I
just,
feel कि
हाँ, continue. Sorry, sorry, sorry.
नहीं नहीं I feel कि यही है कि it's about how you carry yourself. and दूसरा ये होगा कि अगर मैं यहाँ से like if I'm like running away, that's the biggest sign. If any other person is trying to run away from the situation, specifically is not interested in talking or carrying, ये मैं general scale पे बोल रही हूँ, not in a romantic way but in a general way too, to guys specifically.
No, I've वही हो गया ना that intent just establishes all the dynamics. अगर intent सही है तो you might end up together, ऐसे बात ही करो, become friends and stuff. But when your own intent is wrong, then things might go south. Because I honestly wanted to do this because I was also not like this before. I am, and I have no shame in accepting this in public because I have also learned this with time. जैसे ही ऐसे because being a guy, ऐसे when you're surrounded by a lot of testosterone energy, then it's just all mostly shit going around yourself. But once you have that female interaction with your life, when you start interacting with your mother as a friend, when you have your girlfriends, have your female friends, तब जो पर्सपेक्टिव पता लगता है ना बहुत लोगों को, बहुत most of people are not exposed to that exposure, I feel, and उसके लिए this is very necessary.
And that's the sole reason as to why they are not behaving in a very uh, constructive manner, or in a very fine manner. I felt for most of it, I feel कि a lot of people are very reluctant with their attitude. Like, okay, ठीक है, क्या है, okay. I don't like that attitude. For me, it's very subtle. You should be very grounded when we are talking to you. You should feel very comfortable. For instance, you have been very respectful about the conversation and carrying this podcast interview, right? For all the very time. You approached me on a LinkedIn, or you approached me on LinkedIn. बहुत
Constructive
respectful
way,
way you
yeah.
texted, yeah, and you asked about the situation. You had a good goal. So I'd see कि I'm talking to him on this particular G meet. It's fine. It's comfortable. I'm also coming. ऐसा नहीं है कि I'm running away.
Yeah.
I really want to talk about it because you are also picking up a very good topic. That shows more about you as well, right? So I think it's more about the personality. It's more about how you carry your own self. And I think कि यही चीज मैंने उधर भी रियलाइज करी. A lot of it lies लोगों के माइंडसेट में. जब तक उनको ये नहीं पता चलेगा कि दूसरों के साथ कैसा बिहेव कर रहे हैं, like that guy behaving with me with a gun can traumatize me to its core. What if कुछ होता, like उसके अंदर कुछ होता, सेंस ऑफ एम्पैथी एंड वो सारी चीजें,
Yeah,
बट वो आती नहीं है, वो माइंडसेट वो कल्टिवेट होता ही नहीं है.
empathy is something that a woman teaches a man.
True.
Yeah,
True.
that's something that gets missing when you're around a lot of men. And हाँ भाई, when men are around ऐसे in झुंड, गलीचपना होता है. But then again, that's what men are, I believe. But फिर एक वही again, the intent is established. Jokes apart,
Obviously, you being men is like people, like specifically from men ka background and group, absolutely fine, absolutely good. Whatever you want to do, whatever, until unless you are making other person uncomfortable, it's
yeah.
not a problem.
The moment a
It's a
girl
problem.
comes, the dynamics should change, I feel.
Exactly.
हाँ,
At certain times, more
yeah.
than that. I think
होने ही
I am
चाहिए.
in all those.
मतलब आई बिलीव
True.
जितना देखो एवरीथिंग इक्वालिटी इज ग्रेट बट दे आर टू डिफरेंट स्पीशीज दे नीड टू बी ट्रीटेड डिफरेंटली
True.
chivalry is something that a man should be aware about and
True.
वहाँ इक्वालिटी नहीं आती chivalry is there and it's a must जो ऐसे तुम जा रहे होते हो ना कि लड़कियों के लिए अलग सीट क्यों है मेट्रो में जब
Oh,
तुम्हारे अंदर से
oh.
खून बहेगा ना महीने में एक बार तब बात करूंगा मैं तुमसे आई बिलीव
True that, true that. वो certain measures है जो कि properly लिए गए हैं, but still safety is still a huge problem, I feel.
या
बहुत बड़ी है. And I think कि मैं तो aware हूँ नहीं because I'm in all girls college, and मेरे all girls college के बाहर ये सब हो रहा है. I'm quite sure co-ed colleges में इससे भी ज़्यादा problematic instances होते होंगे college level पे, guys
बहुत बुरा
doing
हाल है
certain stuff which is not fine, which does not make comfortable, treating particular person in a particular way. I've heard instances and they are very heartbreaking.
दी
मेरे साथ तो
इंस्टाग्राम
ये स्पेसिफिकली ह्यूज हुआ है.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
मेरे साथ ये इंसिडेंट बहुत स्पेसिफिकली ह्यूज हुआ है, तो इसलिए आई एम स्टिल इन शॉक, आई एम स्टिल प्रोसेसिंग एंड स्टफ. बट इससे पहले भी मैंने आपको बताया कि छोटे छोटे जो इंस्टेंसेस हैं एकदम से आ जाना ये सब करते हैं, बट कोएड कॉलेजेस में आई एम नॉट क्वाइट अवेयर. आप बता सकते हो बेटर टू टेल.
I just have one more incident about that Instagram thing, very short again. Two of my female friends were standing. कोई ऐसे अच्छा बंदा होता है जो they were just giggling about, just pointed out. The guy turns around and sees them. Cut to 24 hours later, the guy has given 50 follow requests. 50, कोई नाम इंटरेक्शन, कोई इंटरेक्शन नहीं हुआ, नो नेम, नो आईडीज, नथिंग. From where the hell the guy got the Instagram ID? From where the hell the guy got their names? And I'm like,
ये
अगर
थोड़ा
इतनी
सा वो
मेहनत इस आदमी ने पढ़ाई में कर ली होती.
ये तो स्टिल थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चनेबल है, लाइक अंटिल लाइक अगेन फिर वो उस पे आप जा ही नहीं सकते हो, कैसे बोलोगे कि मतलब एकदम से कैसे इंस्टाग्राम आईडीज मिल गई, कैसे एकदम से वो हो गया, स्पैम हो गया. इट्स जस्ट वेरी अनकंफर्टेबल, इजंट इट?
Yeah, but
बट स्टिल
mhm,
आई मीन आई वुड से कि नॉट द राइट वे. आई स्टिल फील कि मेजर्स हमारे हाथ में ही हैं. मेजर्स स्टिल हम लोग बहुत सारी चीज़ें इनकलकेट करते हैं अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स में, सबके अंदर. तो आई फील कि बहुत रूट लेवल से ही स्टार्ट होनी चाहिए.
that is true.
लाइक बताना चाहिए कि कैसे इंटरेक्ट करें. आई कैन नॉट चेंज ऑलमोस्ट एवरी अदर पर्सन, बट आई स्टिल फील कि व्हाट अबाउट द सेफ्टी, व्हाट अबाउट माई लाइफ, व्हाट अबाउट बाकी सबकी लाइफ. How would you go about it? I still have to live abhi. And if what if I have to like travel alone और भी ज़्यादा घंटे? Who would give me the surety कि कुछ हो ना हो, एक्सीडेंट हो ना हो, ये तो स्पेसिफिकली नहीं होगा. कोई दे ही नहीं सकता. सबको पता है
That is true.
कि you are going out, you are responsible इन सब चीज़ों के लिए. It's happening with like males as well.
Yeah.
I do not know in which form or the other. मेरे साथ तो ये स्पेसिफिक
There has
इंसिडेंट
been
हो
a
गया है
case
तो
recently, I believe, जो बहुत boom हुआ है Twitter पे, but yeah, that's a completely different story.
yeah. So, but this is very evident. Almost everywhere we see that. I have seen people एकदम से going randomly, जैसे बाइक से जा रहे हैं, and they'll बहुत ज़्यादा जोर की shout and hoot and they'll go. Happens.
I'm just completely oppose ऐसे in my opposite opinions है मेरे उन लोगों को तो लेके. I'm like, just do whatever you feel like, bhai. I was like, God bless them. Just
A lot of people, I guess, a lot of males specifically commented up मेरे LinkedIn पे, if I'd say,
yeah.
I'd like to quote them. A
Uh-huh.
lot of them did. I was not expecting इतना ज़्यादा male interaction, but मेरे उस पे comments आए थे of guys who did come to support, and they're like कि ऐसे ये जो specific लोग हैं जो ये सब कर रहे हैं, they are making it unhealthy. They are आप लोगों का भी normal जो the people with healthy mindset उनका भी नाम खराब कर रहे हैं.
Exactly.
I was like fine.
मतलब they're just ruining the मतलब male perception, I believe.
True. Mary Jo is like finding. You also commented that gave you goosebumps and stuff like that, and a lot of people wrote ki this is like specifically males ki this is very upsetting, disheartening to experience and to go through. And at the end of the day, almost everyone prayed he you are safe, it's fine, it's good,
Yeah.
but it's not normal incident yet again. Abhi bhi still you are getting goosebumps. I still process it कि this has happened. I'm still in shock. I still expect कि I have been very अब थोड़ा सा traumatized in terms of मैं normal भी चल रही होती हूँ ना, पीछे से कोई poke कर देगा, like there's normal female जो मेरे
Hmm.
साइड से walk करके जा रही हैं something, but I'll get एकदम से
That's there in your
मतलब क्या हो
subconscious
गया.
ना, वो आ गया.
अब वो डर के बैठ गया है,
Yeah.
and उसको डर को कौन हटाएगा.
With time
तो
that
ये
will process, but still that has happened, I believe.
one more incident I'll tell you.
Mm-hmm.
I was on my way to college. I see these two guys abusing and saying a lot of stuff. Almost every other person जो गाड़ी साइड में रोक के खड़ा था was standing, suddenly standing, looking. And I remember I called a lot of people उसके बाद because I got so traumatized. I passed by यहाँ से. Normally I was alone. I had no idea what to do. I see these two guys bike में बहुत ही अजीब तरीके के, they were abusing, they were saying some stuff to this woman who was lying road पर, एकदम बीच रोड में वो लड़की गिरी हुई थी. एंड उसको बहुत कुछ बोल के कुछ करके गए थे. करने के बाद वो बहुत ज़्यादा अब्यूज़ कर रहे थे एंड दे वेंट. एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट I see is that particular woman was lying. उसकी I don't know if she was in a state of coma or something. उसकी यहाँ से blood निकल रहा था नीचे से गले से पूरा. And पूरे like eyes उसकी वो कर रही थी, and almost everyone was looking, एंड वो लड़के ही कुछ करके गए थे. बाद में आई गॉट टू नो थ्रू द ऑटो ड्राइवर. मैंने उनसे स्पेसिफिकली आके पूछा, शी फाइन, शी वाज टेकन टू हॉस्पिटल और समथिंग, बट गाइज डिड समथिंग टू हर. इज इट रियली सेफ? It is a threat. It was during my first year in college that I saw that
in
incident,
front of
and I was
North
very.
Campus.
No, no, not North Campus. It was near my house again. मतलब I was like traveling, not मतलब very close to my house. I was just like traveling आगे जाके when I go to the metro station. Yes, north side only. I live close by to North Campus. So उधर ही की side में direction में I could see. And various incidents have happened. अभी आपको पता चला होगा नॉर्थ कैंपस में, one of my friends posted a story. एक लड़की को बहुत बार बहुत like 50 or 40 like 50 to 60 times. I'd like want you to put this specifically on योर पेज, ये वाला सेक्शन कि 52 बहुत ज्यादा बार उसको स्टैप करके गया है एक लड़का, लड़की को पीजी के बाहर आया है, देखा है लड़की को, स्टैप करा है and चले गए. No reasons as to why and how. No reasons.
This is just
आया,
some
स्टैप करा, चले
psychotic
गया.
behavior.
What about that? And ये specifically फिर इधर like पीजी की लड़कियों पे या फिर कॉलेज की लड़कियों पे क्यों ये हो रहा है इंसिडेंट इज अगेन अ क्वेश्चन. Now if anyone would say कि रात को जा रहे हो या you are wearing something or something,
भाई दिन
that
दहाड़ वाला
particular
है.
female was in a complete traditional outfit, complete
जो
covered
भी था,
outfit.
that's not the
That
question. But why the fuck happened what happened?
exactly that. No, I'm telling you, no, people state कि this is the particular reason कि
भाई
ऐसे
ऐसे
हो रहा
लोगों
है.
को, ऐसे लोग होते हैं, आई फील खोखले हैं भाई. दे डोंट हैव एनी
At
स्पाइन.
one instance I am saying कि they are चलो trying to even protect you कि, but I am saying कि फिर इस इंसिडेंट का कौन रिस्पॉन्सिबल देगा कि she was एकदम सही से डे लाइट में स्टैब करके कोई जा रहा है. Still a question. Huge question.
Like, this was just haunting.
Very haunting actually.
Damn.
It's very haunting.
For the first time, I have nothing to say to this. For the first time, I have
You
nothing
should
to.
look, pata, you should go ahead
Yeah.
and read that article specifically. It happened in North Campus not few days back. And a lot of my friends from North Campus ke top-notch colleges, they posted about it on a story, on their story, and they did write about it, and it's very traumatizing.
Yeah.
मेरे साथ तो चला है कि आई एम सेइंग कि उस लड़की को तो बताया नहीं सीधा. इतने में तो इंसान सेल्फ डिफेंस नहीं कर पाता जितने में उसकी वीडियो पूरी है ऑन इंटरनेट.
And
हाउ
that
ही डिड
too,
व्हाट ही.
what you're saying is 40, 50 times listening to that things. It's just some psychotic behavior.
Or it is. No normal person would have the tenacity to do so.
It's just too psychotic.
It is indeed.
Damn. Yeah. I guess we gotta just take this forward. Do you have something to say for the listeners? I want you, essay. I want a women's perspective. It was great having you, first of all. It was great speaking to
Thank
you
you
for
so
the
much.
first time.
Thank
I
you.
really enjoyed, and I wanted an episode like this, a serious one. I've had a lot of fun episodes, बहुत कर लिए मजे, but I actually wanted a serious one, and it was a, ऐसे क्या कहते हैं beer biceps के language में, heavy episode. It,
Thank you so much.
it was
Great.
great. Oh,
But this was supposed to go to people somehow or the other way.
हाँ.
And I think if you are being a medium as well, it's very fine and respectful of you. I'm really grateful and I really appreciate it.
Thank you so much. I just want you to close by saying something that you want for all the listeners. मतलब on an average कोई ना कोई तो सुन ही रहा है ये. What do you want to say? Go ahead, all yours.
You want me to say something in this respect, this specific incident respect?
Whatever,
What
whatever,
can you say?
whatever a message you want to convey to all the listeners. One message, one learning from your life, anything.
I'd say, hello everyone yet again. I'd say, yeah, I've turned 20 few days back. I've ended my teenage years, and specifically these few months have been of huge importance and learning for me. And one thing that I specifically learned, which is out of the context from this video, is to love yourself and is to enjoy one's own company. I've written this on my LinkedIn post as well. For a lot of time, I was seeking a lot from a lot of people, expecting a lot, asking them to do so or do that, and expecting them to show up, when I did at certain point did realize that I wasn't showing up for my own self. So my personal take on this entire thing would be to just love your own self before you start respecting and loving other people, because a lot of your aura, a lot of your intentions show from the fact that how much you're loving yourself. You cannot um expect almost every other person to show up in your life and be like, hey, we are there, we are here. No, it's not like that. I've almost seen a time where I had no other friends besides my family. So family is important. And second of all, just start loving your own self. The time you start loving your own self, a lot of people will show up to love you and like respect you. So yes, that's my take.
That is true. Thank you so much, दी. Loving yourself से है just एक बार अकेले पिक्चर देख के आओ, you will love yourself. एक बार just go and watch a movie by your own self. You जितना confidence आएगा तुम्हें अपनी life में. From that
True,
day,
very true.
I don't want anyone while watching a movie. Anyways, this
True.
was a great episode, दी. एक
Thank
अच्छा
you so
episode
much.
we'll record again soon with something chill, something fun.
Yes,
But thank you
completely
so
fine. उसमें कुछ goofy talks होंगी, ठीक है,
हाँ
done.
हाँ हाँ done है done है. Thank you so much for this wonderful episode.
No worries. Thank you so much.
I don't want numbers. I just loved having this conversation.
Oh my god, thank you so much. I'm grateful as well. I really appreciate it. And definitely we'll have another podcast, right? I'd love to be featured.
No podcast,
Thank
just a
you.
random conversation. Done है.
Cool. Done.
Done है. Thank you listeners. I'll see you मिली अगले हफ्ते मिल ही जाऊंगा तुम्हें मैं. Thank you so much for listening till this point. मतलब there were no बीच में मैं I did not wanted to disturb the conversation, but yeah, this was actually a great conversation. Boss Kidi was super kind enough. I cannot thank her enough to do this. You actually need a lot of guts. You need a lot of courage. You need a lot of confidence to actually come in front and speak about these stuff. Basically speak about your perspective, your stance. Take about give uh show others what the world looks like through your lens, and what I as a man, I as a boy, 18-year-old, feels like there's a lot that we got to learn from the women around us. As simple as that. We as boys 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 jitne bhi hain, have this tendency of approaching women, but there's a difference in approaching and creeping out of women, which I realized with time. By God's grace, I did not have any bad instance, but these instances happened with a very close friend, and they just triggered me that people should know how to behave in front of a woman, and if they don't, they should not cross the line. They just triggered me a lot. I want you guys, मेरे को बताओ, how did you like this episode? क्या अच्छा लगा, क्या बुरा लगा? And ये एपिसोड आई वांट यू टू गाइज, तुम लाइक करो, मत लाइक करो ताकि यूट्यूब पुश करे, और शेयर करो. आई वांट यू गाइज टू शेयर दिस एपिसोड विद योर मेल फ्रेंड्स. इफ यू आर अ वुमेन, शेयर इट विद ऑल योर मेल फ्रेंड्स. इफ यू आर अ मैन, शेयर इट विद एवरीवन. मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये एपिसोड हर जगह जाए, बिकॉज दिस इज द स्टफ दैट शुड बी रियली टॉक्ड अबाउट. बाकी प्यार बरसाओ गाइज. हाउ वाज योर डे? आई होप यू हैड अ ग्रेट डे. Just keep spreading love, and I'll see you soon. Bye. ये तो करना ही नहीं. Bye.